You do realize that it's your turn to do the dishes, right?
Huh? Oh, no, I don't think that's right. Have you taken a look at what day it is? Clearly, it's your day to do them.
Charlie, we're not doing this again. I am not going to do the dishes again as I have for the past month. If you don't do them, they're just going to sit there.
Well, then I guess they're just gonna sit there then. Hey, cats! Do we have any batteries? Chance? Are you down there? Do you see any batteries? Hello? Batteries for my game, Chance. I need the... Wonderful. Thank you, Jess. I promise to do the dishes next week. Wow! Chance, stop! What's happening? Chance? It's a chance! Stop! What's happening, Chance? Chance, no!
Oh, Charlie, could you vacuum the living room when you're done with that? Thanks.